Hey guys, Zen up here, and today we got our cabinets delivered, which is cool, but before they can be installed, we have to cut out a little bit of the subfloor and replace it because it got some water damage. And they were doing that here, and then this happened.
Holy shit, is that a valve? Tell me it's a valve.
Yeah,
No, there's no valve, dude. Or the pump house shut off.
it's nailed to the bottom of the floor. Is it off?
Yeah. Hey, Mike, we got a little issue. Just pulling up the subfloor, one of the pipes got caught on the particle board. It snapped the line. Yeah. Right underneath the kitchen cabinets.
Yeah, it's all strapped to it.
It was strapped to it. But yeah, it broke right at the T. I can't tell, I can't see it. It broke the T itself, it didn't break the 3/4. Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, the good thing is the floor will be out, you'll be able to get to it from above. You won't have to get underneath. Sorry about that, man. I didn't either until today. Sean goes, yep, it's got to come out there. Yep. Yes, sir. No, it wasn't me. No. Yeah. So it's 1/2 inch going into the T.
Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.